Alright, what's going on everybody? This is Rebel Duke, and I have an unboxing video for y'all. I'm sorry I got the hiccups for y'all today. It's my new, actually my very first gaming PC. Bought it from iBuyPower. I went ahead and cut the tape, and so let's open it and see what's inside. Foam, as usual. That's nice. Quick setup guide. Let's see. Power cord, some other cords, something else in the box with some discs and some other manuals. Let's see. Sorry, I got the hiccups. That Chinese food's bothering me. Okay, that's for my trays for my memory. And some Velcro straps. Alright, that's fine. Note to self, do not eat Chinese before doing an unboxing video. This is my 10-foot braided HDMI cable. That's just my packing slip. Let's see. This should be my mouse. A little worried the box is kind of squished, but I think it'll be okay. Oh wow, I like that. That's a pretty cool mouse. Actually fits my hands, and this part's supposed to light up, so that's pretty cool. Put this in the box. Also got free Turtle Beach headphones. That's pretty cool. And this should be just the regular free, yep, keyboard. So, yeah, it's mechanical. It's really quiet. I like that. I don't like those loud keyboards. And now for the Raid Max Cobra Z tower. Alright. Oh wow. This thing looks badass. Holy cow. Hold on. Don't want to tear the box, because I'll be moving here in a couple of months. Daggum it. There we go. Oh. And the iBuyPower, I was beginning to worry I didn't have this in the bag or in the box. I like the case. Is the mouse pad. I really like the feel of that. Alright. This bad boy up. That is what I call a nice tower. I like that. Alright. Take this off. Hold on. Everybody loves this sound. brand new. Not anymore, it's not. Let's loosen the screws. Oop. Very careful with this. Oh wow, I like that. Let's see what's in here. I'll just lay it on its side, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Let's see. My liquid cooling system, GeForce 960, 800 watt power supply, my blue neon light, my memory, and this is my 120 gigabyte solid state, I think. Not sure what that is. But yeah, I like this. There's a lot of room in this case for upgrades, so I really like this. For $1,000, it ain't so bad. Now to, and I like that. It's almost like dragon scales or something on it, honeycomb shape. I like that. Anyway, now to put the light back on. I don't know how to do this. Back up. Put the thumb screws back in, and if y'all give me a minute, I'll plug it up and show y'all what it looks like with the lights on. Alright, there's one blue LED light. And there's the other one. And for some reason that light down in the bottom isn't working. I think I gotta plug it up. But it also leaves me where I can put fans up here, which I thought that's what I was doing, but it's a double one. These two are doubled on the back here, so I'm gonna put two more up here for extra cooling, but I think that looks cool. That is cool. Alright, I hope y'all liked the video. Once I get the computer and the monitor hooked up and get everything set up, I'll do another video. It'll probably be this weekend before I do that. I'm not sure. Or to be Friday. Anyway, y'all stay tuned.